all right, YouTubes. I got this little prep table to look at. They said it was getting too cold. I was thinking maybe the thermostat's getting goofy, but let's give it a check out and see what we get into here. Oh, Tippy. Tippy the tip over. Want to check out the new Smart Probe app, Testo Smart. So I do have a probe in there we'll use. I got a couple probes in there we'll plug in and use and see what it looks like. Why not? All right, here we go. First time using the new Testo Smart app. I got my probes hooked up. I got to pick my probe here, and then I got to zero it out. All right, that's looking good. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. There we go for refrigeration view. All right, let's pick the refrigerant 134A. We'll get our probe selected. All right, there we go. Suction pressure looks good, so we're not low on charge, so that's a win. All right, I was able to get my temperature clamp hooked up on the suction line. And the Testo does a good job with their apps. This one's the layout's pretty cool. We got the box temp there just started. Here's a good layout of the page. I only have the low side probe hooked up and temperature probe. Then I have a probe inside the box for the box temp. And yeah, it's everything's looking pretty good here. I like the layout of this app. This is pretty cool. All right, so the complaint is the box is getting too cold. And that was with the thermostat set on 1. So it doesn't want to open on temperature fall. And I'm going to go ahead and change that thermostat out and see if it won't look a little bit better. This old Randall right here. A lot easier with 2 hands. We'll sit there right there. Okay, 5/16. Yeah, just a couple 5/16 screws holding that plate in. Original recipe. For sure. Look at that one. Original recipe. 3-fan specialer. Oldie. Got my new stat in, got me a mark so we can set it. And we'll get this back in there.
Singing this song, I've been at work all day long. You've been at home on your ass. Well, let me tell you, I'm sick of the mask. Sick of the mask on my face. Got marks that last all day. I'm sick of that mask wearing all day long. Oh man, this has gotta stop. Sick of the mask. Yeah, I'm sick of that mask. Sick. I'm sick of the mask. Sick of the mask. Aren't you sick of that mask? My hair got long and I'm all jacked up. I don't know what happened to my luck. Been working and some have not. But let me tell you, this has gotta stop. I'm sick of the mask. Yeah, don't look at me, motherfucker. I'm sick of the mask. Everywhere I go, I'm sick of the mask. Marks on my face, they last and last. My hair got long and I'm looking rough. Nobody hanging no love in the love. Wearing that mask all day long. I know one thing for sure. My breath is stanky cause I smell my breath. I hate that mask like you never said. I'm sick of the mask. Yeah, I'm sick of the mask. Get that guitar, boy. We gotta wear 'em out in public. We gotta wear it when we work, and it makes me sick. Sick of the mask all day long. I got the marks on my face, they go on and on. Sick of the mask, sick of the mask. I'm sick. Yeah, I'm sick of the mask.
All right, that's gonna do it for that one. The old thermostat Ruski. Oh, am I gonna get the sunset? Not quite, huh? It's going down later and later. I'm loving it. Oh man, nada. It's right. Oh, it's right over there. Right over there.